But this is a question that we can start with you, Ilanit, around the circular economy. So how are you thinking about how the new economy post-COVID, and as we acclimate to the challenges we've been going through here today, how do you see this affecting the circular economy? Will the waste streams that we've been thinking about still exist as we potentially move to more localized food chains and localized processing, as Roland was speaking about? Ellen, it would be great to get your thoughts on that, and potentially Roland as well.
So I don't think we're even near to the end of waste, that everything will be circulated in an economic cycle, where we just starting with this as a trend. So if supply chains will be more regional, local, there will be still some kind of waste, and it will be still a lot. If we manage to minimize it to a certain degree, then we did our effort, then lovely. But that's not. I think that it's an inspiration and maybe a target to the future, but we're far from being there. As for now, what we are seeing is that waste elimination is still a big challenge, and it's a big challenge in each part of the supply chain, of the value chain of the food industry, both the produce and the packaged food industry. And there's a lot to do. What we are trying to do, as we have identified our waste in the fields, in the farms, and our waste in the factory, we also have identified what could be done with this type of waste. So we will be able, hopefully, also to profit for this and create our own circular economy model within Dole. Just to name a few potential areas where we could use our waste. So definitely we could use ugly fruits or imperfect fruits for the creation of products, but we can also use the agri waste, the waste that is in the field, whether it's for packaging, use the fiber for packaging, or whether it's to extract nutrients from the fibers. The roots of pineapples contain very high nutritious bromelain, which is a fantastic nutrient. And as you move on also to food waste within the factory, then there is the peels of the fruits, which can be used again for extracting nutrients. The cosmetic industry is doing a lot with this type of ingredients, or with this type of nutrients. Think of papaya seeds, the same. There's a lot to be done. And if you think about, so we have waste, and then we have other different areas that we can valorize waste and upcycle it, then you think also maybe the manufacturing planogram should be a bit different. Maybe we can see new type of micro factories next to our factories. Micro factories maybe in the fields, where we could recycle and upcycle agri-food waste and in the field, and make it more valuable. And here's the circular economy model comes to life.